So last time I just touched upon I am Atma Brahman and went into Prajnana Brahman. Okay? And if you notice in all of them, it is not the direct meaning, it is the implied meaning. Not the Vakyartha, the Lakshanartha. And the Lakshana used is Bhagatyaga or Jahaja. This is constant in all. Okay, the structure is adjectival, but the meaning is contradictory. Therefore, you have to go in for Lakshana. In simple terms, implied meaning. Okay. It is because of that these type of statements have come up. The finger that points to the moon is not the moon. In Zen and in martial arts and all, it's a very popular statement. In fact, Bruce Lee's first movie that made him a star, Enter the Dragon, his entry is like that. In his teaching, the finger that points the moon is not the moon. Though there is a difference between that example and the Vedanta, Mahavakyas. Why? The word itself reveals the meaning. You go into the word will reveal the meaning. And between word and meaning, there is no real difference. Even though Shakespeare said that a rose by any other name is just as sweet. True. But right now, when the word and meaning is connected up, after that what? Supposing I say prose, will you think of rose? No. It has become connected up. Word and meaning are intimately connected. And then implication from there. Therefore, if you are going to use a word to imply something, some essence of that word has to be retained. That's Bhagatyaga. Okay. Then another one we are going to see is from Mandukya Upanishad. Okay? I am Atma Brahma, Atharva Veda. Okay? If you see how it starts, it says Om is all this. Okay? Om is Brahman. Therefore Om becomes a name for Brahman. Therefore when you are saying Om is everything, you mean Brahman is everything. Otherwise you will start putting Om everywhere. In fact, Om was a pratika, a sound symbol, not a pratima, a form. Om was not supposed to have a form. Therefore, traditionally in Sanskrit, when you wrote it initially, you actually wrote O, A, U, O and Makara. You wrote it that way. Later on it became Om, shortened version. And you find in truly traditional setup like our setup, do you find Om image anywhere here in this ashram? You won't find it. Why? When you hear Om, you are supposed to know Brahman. So what should be in your mind? Either Brahman or Ishvara. But now when you hear Om, what is in your mind? The squiggle. Correct? That is why it is supposed to be only a pratika, sound symbol, not a pratima form. That's how it is supposed to be. Anything. Om is everything means Brahman is everything. And I am Atma Brahman, he says. Then he explains, he goes to explain that statement. I am Atma, this Atma that is under our discussion. As I said yesterday, under our discussion. That is our concern. Why? My concern is with myself. When the bell rings for breakfast, do you come for breakfast sake or your sake? What is your concern? मेरे को भूख लग रहा है ना. Correct or not? For me, what concerns me is my hunger, yaar. Everything else is secondary. Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. Vridaranka, Yajnavalkya dialogue. Husband is telling the wife, the wife is not dear for the sake of the wife, but for the sake of myself. Then he says other thing also. The husband is not dear for the sake of the husband, but for me. Then finally he concludes, Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. True. For my sake. Therefore, this Atma, I, which I am concerned about, is nothing but Brahman. What is Brahman? That which is everything. Yad bhutam, yad bhavishyamiti. Past, present, future, whatever is there is Brahman. Yat trikala atitam tadapi Brahman. Tadapi omkara eva, he says. What is beyond the three periods of time? That is also Brahman. Om, but Brahman. Om is Brahman, Rumba. So, then he says, after saying I am Atma, Brahman, now you are supposed to understand Brahman and Atma is one and the same. So then how does he? Om is Brahman, you will take Jagat Karanam Brahman. Remember, when you say Brahman is everything, not automatically in your mind it is Ishvara that comes in. All this is Brahman. All this is what? Name and forms. Objects. Objects are name and form. There is no real object. Name and form. When we say like this, I am digressing a little bit just for clarity's sake. Okay. There can be doubts when you start studying Vedanta. If Brahman is everything, what about all this? As we said last night in the satsang, there are standpoint differences. Some are purely a subjective standpoint. We call it Pratibhasika Satyam. You love brinjals, I love batata. You can like your brinjal, I can like my batata. Okay. We can live together as aloo baigan. But this is purely subjective, no? Is there any reality there? Subjective. Baigan is better than batata. Batata is better than man. खाने का खा लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ा? It's purely a subjective reality. I like roses. Someone else like lilies. It doesn't make a difference. Subjective reality. There is a rope, you saw a snake. Subjective reality. Subjective viewpoint. Okay, let's right now take a subjective reality. I'll come to the viewpoint later. Then there are certain things which are functional. The rope is functional. The snake is not. Correct? Rope is very good. When things are going very bad and I have given up hope on life, rope is very useful. Functional. Yeah. But here be careful. Huh? If you see a snake, don't think it is a rope. Chances are good it is a real snake. Meaning functionally valid snake. Yeah, jungle hai. Functionally valid snake. This is called Vyavaharikam. Vyavaharika Satyam. Functional reality. And when we are talking about Brahman, no cause, no effect, everything has been mithya. We are talking about paramarthika reality, absolute reality, paramarthikam. Swamiji, I thought in Vedanta there's only one reality. Now you are talking about three realities. It is still one only. Why? Look at it. The subjective depends upon the objective. Without the objective, vyavaharika rope, there is no subjective, pratibhasika snake. Correct? Swamiji, there is a... I saw a snake without a rope, but snake is mithya, it's not really there. You saw it and it's not a rope? No. Where is my stick gone? Better be careful, because that is functional. So, the subjective is dependent upon the objective or the what? Vyavaharika satya, functional reality. And the functional reality is dependent on the absolute reality. This table is dependent on what? We say in it. Satyam, a pure existence, which Brahman. So there is only one reality, other two are standpoints. But for functionally we call it functional reality. Why batata hai na? Baingan bhi hai. They have vegetable properties. Even though potato is what? A tuber? Yeah, they're good function. Good source of starch. Replacement for rice and wheat, both it can be. Yeah, it's a good source. It's got some basic vitamins also. Objective, all this. All this is objective. Like, dislike is subjective. That's why sometimes you will say, how can anybody like this Karela? There are plenty of people who like Karela. May not be many, but high. Subjective. Depending on the objective. The batata, the baingan, the Karela, whatever. Objective. All that depends upon the absolute. Therefore, other than the absolute, everything else is mithya. In mithya, there are gradations of subjective, objective. This is actually the paradigm of Mandukya. Now, because look at what he says. Soyam Atma Chatushpan. This Omkara, Atma or Brahman is fourfold, he says. Because otherwise, how will you do Bhagatyaga? Because Mithyatvam has to be established. If Mithyatvam is not established, how are you going to negate? I look at somebody, I don't like this character, he is not there. Negate. Hoega. Then I have negated so many characters on earth. All the terror is not there. They should all disappear. Poof.
I also may get negated. Somebody doesn't like me.
Yeah, then somebody else will negate me also. This guy, what an unconventional character. Negate. Nahi hai. I want only traditional teachers will put lot of what to do. God gave me a forehead where nothing stays. I went to the temple in the morning, put vibhuti. It didn't stay. Gaya na abhi tak. I have not washed my face up. Gaya, nothing lasts. It's God given my forehead. Meant to be like that. This upadhi is special. No, all these marks, nothing stays. Nirgunam. Negation. Doesn't happen. Unless there is mithya, you cannot negate. Satyam cannot be negated. In fact, what cannot be negated is Satyam. Definition of Satyam is that abhaditam Satyam. Now he says, let us start with the individual. It's always easier that way. This Atma manifests in a fourfold manner. You can start from any end. The simplest of all things. Deep sleep में क्या है? What is there in deep sleep? You are there. Why? You got up and said, I slept. So you are there. What else is there in deep sleep? Ignorance of everything. Correct? The only thing that is there in sleep is what? You manifesting in ignorance. One quarter, one pada, not quarter, pada meva pada. As though. What is that? Prajnaha, prayena ajnaha, almost ignorant. Why almost ignorant? Because you know you slept. That much knowledge was there. That much knowledge was there. Therefore, prayena ajnaha prajnaha. Okay? Fine, that's okay. Then from dream you come, from sleep you come into dream. Ardha vikasa, half opening, half waking up. Therefore, in dream, there has to be ignorance plus mind functioning. Only at the level of the mind. Only at the level of the mind. Not at the level of the body. You are all Kuti Ishwaras there. Chota Ishwaras. Why? You think and it is there. So akamayata bahusyam praja yeti. I thought, let it become many, and the whole world I created. Whole world. But there also there is ignorance. That is why in the dream you can create what you want, no? But the world you create will be as miserable as this world. उधर कम से कम अच्छा करो ना. नहीं, उधर भी छोटा सा बंगला बनाएगा, छोटा सा. कि make a palace है बंगला. इधर ऐसा ही है ना. एक छोटा बंगला बनाएगा, old songs are there. Yeah. At least in dream think of a palace. Oh, imagination is fettered, is hampered. Why? Why not think? My house, dream house, Tripura Lake, it's a floating city. Why not? But dedicated to Shiva so that he won't destroy it. Yeah. And as someone who's as though, who's like Tripura Sundari. Why not? Nobody thinks like that. Imagination fettered. Yaar. At least dream, let it go. Imagination is important. You think I plan to say all this? I saw you all and I am saying all this. I didn't plan to say anything. I have not even brought my file. That's also left in the room.
Inspiring students.
Huh?
Inspiring students.
Yeah, inspired by all of you. Because that's what Vedanta teaching should be. You should be able to sit under a tree and teach. Okay? Yeah. Now, so look at it. All this you create. Because only mind functioning only at the mental level. So that entity, awareness, consciousness, manifests in ignorance and mind gets a name, Taijasaha, the shining one. Taijasaha. Because mind, you can think of anything and be anything. Yeah. Be anything. Taijasaha. Then, from waking, you get up. Aha, maja aaya. Get up. and you confront the world outside. You are identified now not only with ignorance, mind, also body. So barabar hai na? हाँ, hai. Rat has not taken away, cat has not taken away. Hai. Vishwa, the waking one, the waker. Consciousness manifest not only in ignorance, also in mind and right up to the body. Correct? All three. But abhi garbad hota hai. Why? You are getting a waker, then you seeing a world. Okay? So ये दुनिया बनाने वाला कोई होगा ना? एक दुनिया कहाँ से आया? Nobody says ये दुनिया सब टाइम ऐसे ही था. कोई बोलता है ऐसा? It's human mind will always hunt for causes. Nobody. World is what it is there. Let it be. Neither the religious person says that, nor the science character says that, nor a poet says that. It's as though it is built into your human brain, you know. It's built into it. Somebody wrote a book, The God Center. It's supposed to be a center in your brain. Like pleasure center, etc. There is God center. Yeah, there's book is there. Somewhere I read it some 20 years ago, I read it. It looks as though you're programmed to think like that. Anyway, other part. So you look out. And the Upanishad says, the same consciousness manifests in the total physical world is called Virat. Vishwarupa, Virat. Consciousness manifests in the individual is Vishwa. Consciousness manifests in the totality. Consciousness manifests as the totality is Virat. Okay, physical universe. But my mind is there. Your mind is there. The elephant mind is there. Mosquito mind is there. So many dimensions, so many minds are there. So total mind has to be there. Can you say only the tree is there, there is no forest? Forest is collective. Therefore, consciousness manifests through the total subtle world. Total mind. Prana, Hiranyagarbha. Correct? Hiranyagarbha. Ishvara's mind. Hiranyagarbha. Then you and I have ignorance or we experience it very well in deep sleep. So the consciousness manifests through total ignorance. Becomes what? Total ignorance is Maya Shakti. Manifest as Maya, through Maya will be what? Ishvara. Consciousness manifests through Maya Shakti, the total ignorance. Hey, total ignorance. So Ishvara is more ignorant than me. Total mind. Each of us has some small petty jealousies, this, that. Thoda pettiness is there. No? Our dark side is always there. All of us have. Thoda jealousy hai, thoda ye hai. Basically, you're okay, but thoda. So imagine Ishvara is having all that. Gadabad ho jayega. Ishvara will become more samsari than me. I'm better left. Thank you. This is how some religions project Ishvara also. God will get angry, okay? Don't do. Ayo, kopum pa. We also have the same thinking. Kya kopum? God will punish you. Hey, भगवान को और कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है मेरे को आके देख के पनिश करना. I mean, I am one small speck in the creation और उसको और कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है क्या? मेरे पीछे लगा है. No, between an individual and a total, there is always something known as a qualitative difference coming in. The synergy effect. The qualitative change that happens. You will see. If one person has to get into a car and go, how much time it takes? 1 minute. If 20 people have to get into a bus and go, it will also take 1 minute only. No? It becomes logistics now. Bus aane ka hai. One person with a bag can just walk in. But there are 20 people with one bag each. Now how will you handle luggage? It becomes big logistics. No? Correct or not? You all have one vote. 2019 elections. I have the power of voting. We have fought for it. Not really. We didn't have to fight much. What does that make me? Ruled. I can choose my ruler. Someone corners the majority. What does he become? More ruled or he becomes a ruler? Huh? He should become more ruled. No? Becomes ruler. I don't mean 12 inches ruler. The other ruler. Why? It's called qualitative change. It is not just quantitative, it's a qualitative change happening. So similarly, Ishvara manifests through the total mind has no issues. Why? There is nothing other than him. All jealousies, anger, etc. is based on my finite self, my finite ego. Totality, finitude is not there. Therefore all this is not there. Similarly, Ishvara manifests through total Maya Shakti, is all knowledge. You think Ishvara knows everything one at a time? We know things one at a time, no? This is what our recorder, clock, papers, person, one at a time. If Ishvara is going to know everything one at a time, how long will it take? Before he knows you, you are dead and gone. It is Yugapat at one shot through Maya Shakti, he knows everything. That's the difference, qualitative difference that comes in. Now look at it. Vishwa, waking, is part of Virat, Taijasaha, my mind, etc. Awareness manifests only in the mind. Part of Hiranyagarbha. My mind part of his mind. My body part of Virat. This mind part of Hiranyagarbha. My little pokey, little ignorance part of Maya Shakti, Ishvara. Where are you, my dear sir? Where are you? I am consciousness. समझा नहीं है, लेकिन I am consciousness. That's what I am. I am Atma Brahman. Yatrikala atitam tadapi Brahman. Tadapi Omkara. What is beyond the three? What is beyond? Three is clear. Three is manifestation. Three is manifestation. Tell me, okay, let's go to the individual again. Without I, is there a waker? Without I, is there a dreamer? Without I, is there a sleeper? I'm not talking about the sleeper on the railway track. Sleeper. Now look at it. When the wake, all these three states are mutually exclusive. No? When the waker is there, dreamer and sleeper is not there. When the dreamer is there, sleeper and waker is not there. When the sleeper is there, dreamer and waker not there. But you know all the three or you don't know all the three? How? Waker, dreamer, deep sleeper are mutually exclusive. But you put all of them together. Correct? The consciousness manifests through Maya, avidya. Consciousness manifests only in the mind. Ignorance and mind. Consciousness manifests in ignorance, mind and body. The consciousness is common. समझिए समझा नहीं है थोड़ा. It is like after spending years, some 7 years in Rishikesh, Bombay Nagari आ गया. Got down by Dehradun Express. That time there were no flights from Bombay to Delhi and Bombay to Rishikesh. Delhi tha, Rishikesh nahi. And we had nice Sadhu train, super slow express. It takes 40 hours to reach from Dehradun to Bombay. Meant for sadhus only. 42 hours it takes. But that one good thing is that train is never late. It has to wait for some time between signals etc. so that it will make up the time. 42 hours hai kya karega? Some 34 hours to Delhi, can you imagine? Yeah, 30 to 34 hours to Delhi, so it has to stop and go. No? Yeah, so coming by that time, Baroda will stop. Chalo, go for a walk. Come back. Train is still there, not a one. Go for a walk, eat some batata vada, have some tea, come back. Train is still waiting there. Anyway, so I came back, got down at the other station. Taxi pakda to go to the ashram. And the driver is also from Uttarakhand only. That time UP, Uttarakhand नहीं था. महाराज जी आप कहाँ से आए? ऐसे ऋषिकेश से. अच्छा आप भी अपना है. The moment you say ऋषिकेश अपना ही हो गया है. You don't say ऋषिकेश, okay? You say ऋषिकेश. हाँ महाराज जी हम भी वहाँ के ही हैं, चमोली से है हम. अच्छा बहुत अच्छा है. So he became vocal. I also wanted to see, I have to get back in touch with society. No? Start with the etc. So I saw photograph of a guy in police uniform. I said, "Who कौन है? भाई वो कौन है? Saying, अरे वो तो अमिताभ बच्चन है. अच्छा, अमिताभ बच्चन पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर है. ठीक है. ऐसा अंदर. Don, the original one. अरे वो कौन है? It looks familiar. अरे महाराज जी वो भी अमिताभ बच्चन ही है अपना. हमारा यूपी का ही है वो भी. अच्छा हो सकता है. Inspector can have a double life as Don. There were a few in Bombay like that. हो सकता है. Then another, as a minister, Gandhi topi and अरे वो कौन है? अरे वो भी अमिताभ बच्चन ही है. अरे भाई इतना तो हम जानता है. Don anyone can become, because that's underworld, hidden thing. But you have to resign from being an inspector if you want to stand for elections. अरे महाराज जी आप तो ऋषिकेश के ही है. वो तीनों तो नकली है, यहाँ असली है. He opens a wallet and shows me Amitabh Bachchan. Chaturtham manyante. I'm not forgotten what I'm teaching, okay? Chaturtham manyante. Fourth one. Is it really the fourth? Is it really the fourth? It is the one. Say ekaha. Say ekaha. Other three dependent on the one. The three are roles dependent on this guy. There's only one. Called Turiya, fourth. And people think Turiya is a state. If Turiya is a state, the Upanishads will have to say Panchamaha. Yeah, Panchamaha Manyante, you'll have to say. Turiya is not a state, Turiya is yourself. You don't become Turiya, you are Turiya. If you become Turiya, better be careful. People will chop you up and put you in sambar. What do you call Turi in Tamil? Padwal Turiya, what is that? In Tamil, what do you? Some pushnika, some will be.
Type of pushnika I can say.
Chorakai, So, the fourth is the one. There is only one. But because I had taken the three as real, as separate entities, I have to, the taxi driver, the guru, was forced to point out the fourth, as the fourth. Asli hai ye. But he says that, ye asli hai. Ye inke swarup hai. अच्छा, अभी तो समझ गया. अभी समझ गया. चतुर्थम मन्यन्ते, held as the fourth. So the three are, look at it, it's all the three is manifestation. At the individual level, you don't see the manifestation of the physical. That you have to go to the total level. Brahman, Jagat Karanam. The same consciousness manifests through Maya as Ishvara. Maya plus mind, Hiranyagarbha. Maya and mind and physical universe, Virat. All this is manifestation. Therefore, Mithya. Therefore, I am Atma Brahma. There's only one consciousness anyway. Okay. If I talk only about the three states of experience, you will think I am consciousness, all right. Jagat kidhar ho yaar? What about the world? How will you deal with that? And you see, three states, analysis of the three states of experience. Okay, Baba. Not three states of consciousness, okay? Consciousness is one. In science, they say three states of consciousness because they talk of consciousness only as manifested. Whenever their science talks about consciousness, it is manifested consciousness we are talking about. Mind level, manifestation. So when they say you do all the yoga asanas, etc., you practice Tai Chi, etc., you do Qigong, etc., consciousness changes, they are talking about mind level. It is true, that happens.
Swamiji, what is this Turiyatita?
There is nothing Turiyatita. Because people talked about Turiya as a state, the Guru was forced to say Turiyatita. Can you see? These terms came up, the Gurus used them because somebody took Turiya as a state. मेरे को तुरिया का अनुभव करने का है. अरे waking में तुरिया है क्या नहीं है? मैं हूँ ना. I am that consciousness. If I recognize I am consciousness, the waking, Turiya is there in the waking, Turiya is there in the dream, Turiya is there in deep sleep. But some champions put Turiya separate state. Therefore, the Guru who talked to that group had to say, Turiya se bhi aage hai, main hu.
So what is Jivan Mukti and what is Videha Mukti?
That satsang mein I'll handle it. Okay? I'll handle that. Yeah. So this is Turiya, myself. That's why Turiyatita will come. Then if Turiyatita is put as Panchama, then I have to say Sashta. If you put it as a state, that's the problem. The Upanishad handles it very nicely. Ubhayata Prajnam. Any other state that you talk about, Tadapi Omkara. And then he says, first he said, you are all this. Then he says, Nanta Prajnam, not Tejasa. Na Bahish Prajnam, not Virat. Okay. Na Aprajnam, not sleeper. Na Ubhayata Prajnam, anything else. Na Aprajnam. Then Chaturtham Manyante Shantam Shivam Advaitam say Ekaha Savijñeyaha, that is to be known. as myself. Akhanda akara vrittya, I have to know it as myself. 3 states. And that I, who is aware of all this, avastatraya sakshi. With respect to the 3 states, another name for Turiya will be what? Avastatraya sakshi. The witnesser of the 3 states. And that witnesser of the 3 states is what? Jagat Karanam Brahma. That's the equation. That means what? From the Sakshi, witness, negate the Saksha. Saksha is manifestation.
Avastha.
State. 3 states: waking, dream, deep sleep. For which you have one-to-one correspondence with Virat, Tejasa, not Tejasa, Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara. All manifestations subject to negation. What is left behind? This Atma, which is nothing but, there is no, this Atma and that Brahman, this and that is one and the same. All that is there is only one consciousness.
Swamiji, how do you say negate Sakshi also?
Because you understand the Swarupa of the Sakshi, you don't negate the Sakshi.
So you don't negate?
You negate. Witness I am with respect to an object of witnessing. Awarer I am with respect to an object of awareness. With respect to myself, pure awareness. The Sakshi is pure awareness, pure consciousness. What is Brahman? Pure consciousness. How many pure consciousness? One. Can you see Bhagatyaga comes all the way? Because negation is there. But no total. Consciousness is retained. Consciousness retained, body, physically is negated. Mind, total mind, conceptually negated. Avidya, Maya, conceptually negated. Then what's remaining? One consciousness alone. Shantam Shivam Advaitam. Say Ekaha. That is the one. That's not Turiya, that's not the 4th. That is the one. Why? 3 is Mithya. 3 is apparent. No, Swamiji, I have a separate state. I have experienced it also. Samadhi. Most people who talk of Samadhi have not experienced. Because if they had experienced it, they'll understand what I am saying. I sat in Samadhi. 1 full year. Every morning. 6 o'clock. Before that, 6:30 I had to leave. So I had to get up at 4:30 in the morning. Quickly brush teeth, this, that, thoda exercise करके fresh हो चलो बैठा समाधि में. Sometimes it will happen because Savikalpa is what you practice. When that seer seen division vanishes, that's Nirvikalpa. होता है. Got up, okay, चलो काम पर जाना है अभी. Duty awaits. There, because the Navy is about what you do. You do what has to be done. Okay, done. 1 year this kept happening. मेरे को आनंद हो कुछ नहीं हो गया. I'm still as miserable as ever. You still feel like bashing that character up. I still get angry. Even now I may go and bash up somebody, but I don't get angry like that. Like that. क्या है? Plus, to all those people who talk of Samadhi, I met this character. He used to come to Chaupati and he used to be buried under the sand. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they'll bury him under the sand. At sunset, they'll dig him up. You have to be in Samadhi, otherwise this can't be done. Unless you are in Samadhi, under the sand, head inside I'm talking about. Not up to here, that is fun, people do. The tourists do, go to the beach and bury yourself. Under the sand, everywhere, 1 feet down. Unless you are in Samadhi, this can't be done. So, देखा, क्या करता है वो? Once I waited there to see him being dug up by the chelas. And there is a small cloth put in front, where people will drop a few coins. Is that. When he gets up, what usually come? Anandoham, 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 Punah Punah, Sachidananda Rupoham, Anando. You come singing like that, no? Ooha, ooha, ooha. ऐसा नहीं है ना? सावन गायंती. He came out, looked at that. क्या मायापुरी है, देखो महाराज जी, 10 रुपया में. मैं और 3 चेले हैं, हम लोग 4 मूर्ति है, 10 रुपया में क्या खाएगा? Correct? This was, 10 rupees, what are you going to eat? This was in the 80s, 85, 86, 87, something like that. Correct? 10 rupees, what did you eat? Even those days. 10 rupees, chicken sandwich. The 4 of us went, chicken sandwich. खोल के देखा, chicken किधर है? Some pieces of egg is there. Hey, manager, 250 chicken sandwich है क्या? Egg है, chicken नहीं. Manager was बाबा जी. He said, आप मंगतराम का बिस्किट खाड़े लाए? Have you eaten मंगतराम बिस्किट? हाँ, बहुत खाया, डब्बा खाया. वो मंगतराम बिस्किट का डब्बे के अंदर मंगतराम बैठा है क्या? 10 रुपये का चिकन सैंडविच में क्या मिलेगा? Okay. Okay. Is Mangatram sitting inside the dabba? No, that box. So in 250 chicken sandwich, what is get? Egg. Father of the chicken, anyway. So, Karna Karya, Veda we are talking about. Yeah, chicken. But don't. I'm getting engaged tomorrow. I will give my girl a diamond ring. Coal is the father of diamond. You can forget that. You can forget her life after that. No, you'll never forget her life. ऐसा सुना के जाएगा. Okay, jokes apart. Now look at what happens after the state. Ignorance is there in the mind. Ignorance not gone. Mind went into samadhi, came out. I also experienced the same thing. Why I am not feeling anandam, etc. कुछ होता नहीं है. There's nothing wrong with me. There's something wrong with what I am doing. I had enough self-esteem to say that. There's nothing wrong with me. There is something wrong with what I am doing. In 74, I listened to Swamiji, Puja Swamiji, Shankaramata. I understood what an idiot I was. I am looking for an experience or looking for negation of ignorance. Negation of ignorance. Savijñeya, the Upanishad makes it very clear. It has to be known very clearly. That I am that avastatraya sakshi and this I consciousness is everything. That is why all that is being described in the Mandukya and the Karika elaborately. Because all that Vishwa, Virat, Tejasa, Hiranyagarbha, Prajnaha, Ishvara. Manifestation. Individual, total, individual, total, individual, total. So even at that level, there is a part and whole relationship at the manifestation level. Because this is part of that. Really? Part of that? A part can be separated from the whole. My hand is a part of me. It can be separated or not separated. I mean, I don't want it to be separated, but can be. Chop. Yeah. Yeah. When Bodhidharma went to Shaolin, he refused to go into the temple. And people kept telling him, Maharaj. Then one of the students asked him, Maharaj, when will you come into the temple? When the snows turn red. Sword, chop. Birds burn. Swamiji, the snows have turned red. Oh my God, what is it? That much of devotion and commitment. Bandage him first, tourniquet, etc. And he came in. He went in and took charge of the temple. That's why in Shaolin you'll always, you don't do this, you do this. Only one hand. Why? In honor of that person who got Bodhidharma into the temple. Part can be chopped off. Can you remove yourself from Virat?
Sadasiva Brahman also harm
I know.
Sadasiva Brahman.
Yeah. But can you chop yourself off from Virat? Kidhar jayega? So are you really part? Even at the manifestation level, are you really part? Part means you should be able to take yourself off. My mind I will take away from cosmic mind. Nahi ho jayega. You can't do it. My ignorance I will remove from total ignorance. I wish I could do that. It won't happen. So even part and whole are conceptualizations. Taking into account your feelings. I feel separate. I feel different. I can go for a walk and come back. Ishvara doesn't decide whether I go for a walk or come. I decide. That freedom of choice is given. Ishvara's order. Therefore, in that functioning level, all this is there. So, all this is at the manifestation level, functioning level. Absolutely speaking, from the standpoint of reality, Vastu Kevalam. One reality alone. That's why I am Atma, Brahman. When you say that, you understand Aham Brahmasmi iti. I am Brahman. I am Atma Brahman when the teacher says himself, I am Atma. No, Aham Brahmasmi. The answer is always the same. I am that Brahman. Brahmoham iti. Brahma aham asmi. Meaning, not I am Ishvara. Now I will control everything. Control freaks. You are all control freaks. You want to control anything and everything. Kuch nahi. All control is an illusion anyway. No real control. All that is there. You are not Ishvara functional. The functional is a manifestation which is in understanding negated. What remains is only one consciousness. Subjective, objective, functional, etc. all conceptual. Based on your experiences. Purely conceptual. What remains is what? One consciousness alone. उसका बाद क्या है? This is Jivan Mukta. You ask that question. This is Jivan Mukta. What? I am one consciousness alone. And I can live in that knowledge. And when you live in that knowledge, what is the wise person's experience? Jivan Mukta experience. Imagine you going into your dream with the knowledge you are waker. The tiger roars. And the dreamer there moves away. And you, the waker knows what? I moved away in my dream, but really speaking, tiger and we are one and the same. Both are my thoughts. Correct, hai kya nahi? Imagine that in the world. The elephant came. I don't stand there. Elephant is mithya, this is mithya. Correct, both are mithya. Therefore, one mithya can knock off another mithya. If this is stronger, that will break. That is stronger, this will break. You can decide which one is stronger. But in reality, that consciousness is one thing. And you see, dream. You are walking into the dream with waker knowledge. Similarly, in the world remains. World doesn't disappear. Suddenly realization, world disappeared. Nobody will want realization. Nobody will want to know the truth. World disappears. अरे मेरे को थोड़ा लड्डू पूरी खाने का What about that? You can enjoy your laddu, puri, coffee, whatever you want. Why? You know the truth. Abhi kya hai? With coffee also you are ananda. Without coffee also you are ananda. वो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, ओके थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, रहने दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, let it take some time. That is called developing your nishtha, okay, that takes time. Owning up the truth, that's all. Take some time. And when the wise person dies, videyo mukta, names, vimuktasya vimuchyate, the freed person is freed. A freed person, Vedanta is not saying you will become free, Vedanta is saying you are never bound. It is not the samsari becoming asamsari. The asamsari thought he was a samsari. Deluded into thinking he is a samsari. He rediscovers there is no samsara. There is no really samsara. There is only a samsari who feels like that. In the ashram there is a joke, When do you become a samsari? When you run after some sari. Pandit Gunta, he has not said some dhoti, I would have made the joke the other way around. If it's a samsari or some dhoti, I would have said that. Or some pant. Because of the word. There is no samsara, where is samsara? भवर सागर सब सूख गया हूँ, फिक्र नहीं अब तरने की, मेरा के प्रभु गिरधर संसारी नहीं है फिर what crossing? Where is samsara? Yes, now I am realized what? That I was an idiot. I had 365 rules, followed them all strictly. Necessary, when whatever, some of them. Everyone follows all 365 rules, you'll go crazy. Some, what is applicable to your life, you follow. Vyavahara dashayam, ajnana dashayam, you follow. After that, ko vidhi, ko nisheda. Where is the vidhi, where is the nisheda? Once you understand the snake is mithya, do you have to say, be careful? Snake hai nahi, what are you saying, be careful? Provided, of course, the knowledge is that crystal clear. Good place to stop, 10 o'clock, 10, 1, 10, 2. Okay. So we'll take a 10-minute break, bathroom, this, that, etc. And we'll come, and we decided a slight change of plans today. We will do